Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to work with Filament and especially with Filament plugin. Today when I open Filament 3 or 4 times I had issues, but right now it's working. So the plugin I'm going to see is the Auto Logout, I think, Auto Logout. If you want to log out the user, automatically you can use this. And we have documentation here, installation. So let's just copy this command, open the terminal, and I'm going to paste that in. Okay, also install the package saying artisan filament auto logout install. So paste that in, and then you can publish the config file. So let's do also that one, and let's see, we have here that file, the publish, we have by default enabled the choose of filament auto logout enabled, but you can add this in the .env file and change. Also the duration is seconds, by default is set 50 minutes. Warning, show time left. Okay, and we have also the usage, so we need to register this plugin. And let me just open this with PHP store. Okay, and auto logout plugin. So let's open the PHP store. Let's open the admin panel provider. I prefer to close this and let's zoom it. Let's change the plugins here. Just we need to chain plugins, add an array and auto logout make. Okay. And I think we are okay. And here now also you can change the color, disable, but for now let's leave it just like this, and then we are going to add one by one. Let's open the project and I'm going to refresh. And yeah, we have here time left 15 minutes. Okay. Now, right now it's not counting, but if I move from the page, you can see it's counting. Okay. Let's open again the plugin and let's chain one by one. So if you want to change the color, because by default is this color here, let's open again, I'm going to leave it the admin panel open. So let's chain here, and the beauty of Filament is you can chain all the methods like this and change everything. So we have color, passing the color emerald, and if I refresh, now we have the color emerald here. Okay, you want to disable the auth ID, and I think, let me just open the table plus, refresh, open the users. Yeah, I am the only user with ID 1, so if I add this, it's going to disable this user. So come here and chain disable if the auth ID triple label with 1. And now if I come here and refresh, we don't see that. Okay, good. I'm going to comment this, and then let's open again and chain the logout after. Change now the minutes to be 5. So let's say not 5, but for example 1. Yeah, we need to import the carbon, and let's go and see if I refresh. Yeah, we have time left 1 minute. If I move out over the mouse here, as you can see, I'm using the Zen browser by default. Okay, now if I hover it and if we work on the page, it's not, the time is 1 minute, but when I hover out, yeah, we have the time left. Okay, Next, come here. We have without warning, without the time left. We can change this, for example. Let's come here without the time left. And if I go and refresh, we don't see that time left. But I think we can leave that the time left, and then we can see without warning time left text, to change the time left text and remove the time left text, display only the countdown. Okay, so let me just show you. If I copy this and change it here, open the browser and refresh, and yeah, like this. Or if I just remove entirely, we have null and 1 minute. Now I'm going to leave it and just show you the warning, which by default is 30 seconds, I think. Yeah. And here now we have your session is about to expire. Okay. And I'm going to leave until the session is going to expire and we are going to log out. Okay, so 2 seconds, 1, 0, and now we are logged out. So we can log in again, come here, and yeah, we have 1 minute again. But if you like, you can say without warning, and it's not going to show that warning test. Also, we have translation if you want to add that. And that's all about this video. What I wanted to show you, this plugin, if you want to add in your filament project. Okay, friends. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.